For our community engagement project, we created earthquake emergency bag starter kits for residents of campus housing and active members of the PSU community. Our goal is to engage the community and get the students excited and informed about preparing themselves for the next major quake. We started by making student-specific checklists of the things one may want in an emergency bag. We set up a number of sample starter kits and packed them with some first aid essentials such as pain relievers, band-aids, and dust masks, among other items. Our hope is that with these free starter kits, we will be able to inspire the students we talk to complete their own bags and engage and educate their friends and family so that more people will be prepared in the event of a major quake.
Are you ready for earthquake, Teeny?
Are you ready to get in the bag?
Yeah!